Veisto is a family-run company in Mäntyharju, Finland. We design and produce huge sewing machines and sew lines. Our headquarters is in Mäntyharju, Finland. It is the location of our factory, and we have subsidiaries and sales agents in 30 different countries in 6 continents. The revenue of the Veisto Group is about 100 million euros per year, and we have roughly 300 employees worldwide. Back in 2018, we were in the process of looking for a new ERP system. With our old system, we didn't have the required functionalities or capacities to handle our growing business operations. With the new system, we were looking for tools to better manage our growing projects, our growing sales volumes, and that's the point where the STAEDEAN IEM solution came into the picture. The whole package with BC and the STAEDEAN industrial equipment manufacturing just seemed to make sense for us. It was the most natural combination of software to get for our new project. During the initial research for our new ERP system, it very quickly became apparent that it's really the only possible solution when you want a top quality product. Our needs are very specific, so we need to have a few select modifications done for the software before the implementation. Fellow was a huge help in this project because they have the expertise to carry out these modifications, to carry out these changes we need for the software for it to suit our use cases. The production scheduling process has become much easier with the combination of BC and the STAEDEAN industrial equipment manufacturing system. We have been able to eliminate some tedious and time-consuming tasks at the office, which we had to do with the previous system. With some processes, we have been able to save up to 90% of time compared to our old way of doing things. With the STAEDEAN industrial equipment manufacturing software, we can use Excel imports to import project sales line. Before we had to enter all of those by hand, but now we can use the Excel imports, which saves a lot of time. With this system, we can link production orders straight to our projects and project lines. That means we can accumulate costs straight to the projects instead of any unnecessary steps in between. We see the STAEDEAN industrial equipment manufacturing software as a vital part of our business operations now and in the future.
Now we can easily see everything what is related to projects, and we can see better if something is missing from the projects. I can also see open purchase orders and undelivered items really easily, and making invoices is also time saving because I can see what I have to invoice with just one click. With the STAEDEAN solution, I am able to save 50% my work time because otherwise I have to collect all the data manually.
I'm happy to recommend this solution to other companies in a similar situation to us. If you're looking for a boost in efficiency, the STAEDEAN IEM solution is the perfect one for you.